DrUBER represents an on-demand medical drone delivery solution operated by a registered network of pilots and their standby drones throughout Essex. With just 6 to 8 minutes response time for cardiac arrest, drones serve as the only life-saving option while ground-based delivery may arrive too late. Our intuitive mobile app simplifies the process, seamlessly connecting those in need. With just one click, your delivery is on its way. A network of drones is strategically positioned at hospitals, pharmacies, and other medical institutions. Routing, scheduling, and landing AI supports the fast and safe delivery. The app provides real-time tracking, giving users peace of mind as they monitor the route and estimated delivery time. Airborne Sim, our advanced simulation platform, demonstrates a drone departing from a hospital in Chelmsford to the patient's destination. The digital twin simulation ensures precision in every stage of the mission, from launch to delivery, demonstrating the future of on-demand medical response. One life-saving flight at a time. People helping people makes the difference.